Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 6 Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Mahajanapadas. This comprises 22 questions. Question 1. About dash years ago, some Janapadas became more important than others. The options are 1500, 2500, 3500, 2700. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2500. So, about 2500 years ago, some Janapadas became more important than others. Question 2. The Janapadas which became more important than others were known as dash. The options are cities, Rajnagaris, Mahajanapadas, citadels. Your time to choose. And the answer is Mahajanapadas. So, the Janapadas which became more important than others were known as Mahajanapadas. Question 3. Most Mahajanapadas had dash. The options are trade routes, horse sacrifices, capital cities, palaces. Your time to choose. And the answer is capital cities. So, most Mahajanapadas had capital cities. Question 4. Many capital cities were dash. The options are along trade routes, fortified, holy cities, old cities. Your time to choose. And the answer is fortified. So, many capital cities were fortified. Next question. Capital cities being fortified meant that dash. The options are huge walls were built around them, they had gates of entry and exit, people were confined to the city, they were unconquerable. Your time to choose. And the answer is huge walls were built around them. So, capital cities being fortified meant that huge walls were built around them. Next question 6. Huge walls built around the capital city were of dash. The options are wood, wood or brick, wood, brick or stone, wood, brick, mud or stone. Your time to choose. And the answer is wood, brick or stone. So, huge walls built around the capital city were of wood, brick or stone. Next question. Forts were probably built dash. The options are because they were beautiful, to protect from animals, to separate the city from the farms, because of fear of attacks from other kings. Your time to choose. And the answer is because of fear of attacks from other kings. So, forts were probably built because of fear of attacks from other kings. Question 8. People were afraid of attacks from other kings and built forts for dash. The options are protection, demonstrating building skills, hiding the city inside from sight, all of these? Your time to choose. And the answer is protection. So, people were afraid of attacks from other kings and built forts for protection. Question 9. Forts were also probably built by rulers dash. The options are to show architectural superiority, to demonstrate advanced skill, to separate the city from the farms, to show how rich and powerful they were. Your time to choose. And the answer is to show how rich and powerful they were. So, forts were also probably built by rulers to show how rich and powerful they were. Question 10. Rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building dash around their cities. The options are really large walls, really large and tall walls, really large, tall and impressive walls, beautifully painted walls. Your time to choose. And the answer is really large, tall and impressive walls. So rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building really large, tall and impressive walls around their cities. Next question 11. The land and people living inside the fortified area could be dashed more easily by the king. The options are guided, controlled, governed, made battle ready. Your time to choose. And the answer is controlled. So, the land and people living inside the fortified area could be controlled more easily by the king. Question 12. Building such huge walls required a great deal of dash. The options are planning, paint, intelligence, building skill. Your time to choose. And the answer is planning. So, building such huge walls required a great deal of planning. Question 13. Many dash had to be prepared to build a huge wall. The options are bricks, bricks or stones, mud slabs and stones, megaliths. Your time to choose. And the answer is bricks or stones. So, many bricks or stones had to be prepared to build a huge wall. Question 14. For preparing so many bricks and stones for building a huge wall, enormous dash was required. The options are intellect, skill, labor, control. Your time to choose. And the answer is labor. So, for preparing so many bricks and stones for building a huge wall, enormous labor was required. Next question. The labor for preparing bricks and stones were dash. The options are men, men and women, men, women and children, princes and princesses. Your time to choose. And the answer is men, women and children. So, the labor for preparing bricks and stones were men, women, and children. Question 16. A Mahajanapada with fortified walls was dash. The options are Kaushambi, Ujjain, Pataliputra, Nalanda. Your time to choose. And the answer is Kaushambi. So, a Mahajanapada with fortified walls was Kaushambi. Question 17. The new Rajas of the Mahajanapadas began dash. The options are planning cities, painting city walls, maintaining armies, maintaining palaces. Your time to choose. And the answer is maintaining armies. So, the new Rajas of the Mahajanapadas began maintaining armies. Question 18. Maintaining an army meant soldiers were dash. The options are always at war, always alert for attacks from others, given preferential status in society, paid regular salaries. Your time to choose. And the answer is paid regular salaries. So, maintaining an army meant soldiers were paid regular salaries. Question 19. Regular salaries of soldiers was maintained dash throughout the year. The options are by the king, by the people of the city, by voluntary donation, by wealth captured. Your time to choose. And the answer is by the king. So, regular salaries of soldiers was maintained by the king throughout the year. Next question. Question 20. Some payments to soldiers were probably made using dash. The options are gold and silver, punch marked coins, precious stones, cowries. Your time to choose. And the answer is punch marked coins. So, some payments to soldiers were probably made using punch marked coins. Question 21. Rajas of the Mahajanapadas were different from those mentioned in the Rig Veda because dash. The options are they performed horse sacrifices, the son became the next Raja, they had fortified the capital city, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Rajas of the Mahajanapadas were different from those mentioned in the Rig Veda because they performed horse sacrifices, because the son became the next Raja, and because they had fortified the capital city. Last question 22. Rajas in Rig Veda dash. The options are were chosen by the Jana, did not have capital cities, did not collect taxes, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Rajas in Rig Veda were chosen by the Jana, did not have capital cities, and did not collect taxes. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section Mahajanapadas. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section taxes. I'll see you there.